Greetings, friends! Today we will explore the main trading methods on the Blofin platform to help you understand how to earn from cryptocurrency. Spot trading. Learn how to acquire cryptocurrency and become its owner to hold Bitcoin or sell it for profit. Futures trading. Discover how to profit from price fluctuations even with a small capital. Trading bots. Find out how to set up automatic trading so the market works for you 24/7. Copy trading. Understand how to replicate the trades of experienced traders and earn without diving into the details. Why choose Blofin? Blofin is a crypto exchange that stands out among competitors with its user-friendly interface and modern features. It started operations in 2019. No identity verification, KYC, is required on this platform. Low fees, 0.1% for spot trading and only 0.02% for futures. Copy trading. You can follow the trades of successful traders based on their profitability statistics. It's an excellent option for beginners to learn and earn. Futures with leverage up to 150. Trading bots via API. Set up automatic trading to earn without constant involvement. Purchase cryptocurrency with fiat. The platform supports over 80 currencies, including dollars and euros, with payment options via card. Education for beginners. Blofin Academy offers lessons and guides to help you understand how to trade and grasp cryptocurrency. High-level security. Your funds are protected by cold wallets, Fireblocks insurance, and transaction checks with Chainalysis. Available in over 150 countries. Now let me tell you about a special bonus you can receive if you register, using our referral link in the video description with the promo code COPYTRADE10. You'll get 10% cashback for deposits of $500 or more into your copy trading account. If you deposit $500, you'll receive 50 USDT as a bonus, and if you deposit $1,000, you'll get $100 to your bonus account. This offer is only available to new users who register through our link and haven't yet funded their account. Only the amount transferred to the copy trading account counts, and it can be used for copying traders' deals. The bonus is valid for 7 days and is available only to the first 50 participants. Crediting occurs within 2 days after the promotion ends. Let's break down what spot trading is. You purchase cryptocurrency and it becomes your property. For instance, when you buy Bitcoin, it is stored in your wallet and you can hold it until the price rises, then sell it for a profit. Here's how to conduct spot trading on Blofin step by step. First, open the Blofin website or app and log into your account. Go to the assets or wallet section and transfer funds from the funding account to spot. Now, click on the trade icon and select spot. In the search bar, enter the trading pair, such as BTC USDT. This means you are buying Bitcoin with USDT. The trading interface will open. In the center is the price chart, and on the right is the order window. Now, choose the type of order. Market order. This means you're buying at the current market price. Enter an amount such as 100 USDT and click Buy BTC. The trade will execute immediately and Bitcoin will appear in your wallet. Limit order. Set the price you wish to buy at, for example 100,000 per Bitcoin. Enter the amount, click Buy BTC, and the order will execute when the price reaches your target of 100,000. Check your spot balance in the assets or wallet section. Your purchased cryptocurrency will be displayed there. Don't miss out. We have a Telegram channel where we've launched an AI agent for market monitoring. It publishes up-to-date news, fresh analysis, and trading ideas. Additionally, there's a trading chat with traders, and soon participants will be able to use a personal AI assistant. Follow the links in the description and become our partner. Spot and futures trading represent two different approaches to earning from cryptocurrency, each suited for different goals. Spot trading. You acquire real cryptocurrency and it becomes yours. It's like buying a car. You own it and can use it until you're ready to sell it. Now let's talk about futures trading. Here, you don't purchase the cryptocurrency itself as you do with spot trading. Instead, you open a position on its price movement, allowing you to profit from price fluctuations without owning the asset directly. This allows you to earn from both market rises and falls. Additionally, you can use leverage, which increases your capital and potential profits. However, risks also increase. If the market moves against you, you can incur losses. Let's take a closer look at futures. Open Blofin through the app or website, link in the description. Click on the wallet or assets button and transfer funds from funding to your futures account. Then choose trade and click on futures. Find the trading pair you need, such as BTC USDT. An interface will open with an order window on the right. Now, let's break down how to set it all up correctly. Futures allow you to earn in two directions. Long, you bet on the price increase. Short, you bet on the price decrease. Leverage. On Blofin, you can choose leverage up to 150. For example, if you have 100 USDT and use 10x leverage, you trade as if you have 1000 USDT. If the price moves in your favor, your profit increases tenfold. However, if the market goes against you, losses also increase tenfold. For example, you open a long on Bitcoin with 100 USDT and 10x leverage. If the price increases by 5%, you earn 50 USDT. Without leverage, you would earn only 5 USDT, but if the price drops by 5%, your losses would be 50 USDT. Beginners should start with small leverage, like 3x, at most 5x, to reduce risks. Now let's talk about margin. Simply put, it's the money you deposit as collateral to open a position. On Blofin, there are two types of margin. Isolated margin. You allocate only a portion of funds for one trade. For example, if you invest 100 USDT in a position, if the market goes against you, you only risk those 100 USDT. It's a safer option, especially for beginners, as there's no risk of losing the entire balance, unlike cross-margin where all your available capital is used to maintain the position. Choose isolated margin if you want clear control over risks. It's important to understand that when trading futures with isolated margin, you only risk the amount invested in that specific trade. However, if the market moves against you and the price approaches the liquidation zone, zone, your position may be forcefully closed unless you add more funds. In other words, you'll need to add margin to save the trade. Regarding cross-margin, the situation is entirely different. In this case, all your available funds in the account are used to prevent liquidation. The market may drop, but the system will automatically take funds from the total balance to maintain your position. You won't need to manually add funds, as the balance itself ensures your trade. But there's a downside. If there's a sharp movement against you, you could lose your entire balance, not just the amount invested. Now let's move on to order types. Market order. This is buying or selling at the current market price. You specify an amount, such as 1000 USDT, choose long or short, and press open trade. The trade will be executed immediately at the market price. Limit order. You set a price at which you want to open a position. For example, you want to buy Bitcoin at $90,000. You specify the desired price, click open trade, and then wait for the price to reach your target, $90,000 in our case. Conditional order. This is also an order that does not execute immediately, but waits for the right price. Unlike a limit order, which executes when the price goes against your direction, a conditional order is used when you want to enter a position but wait for confirmation of movement in your favor. For example, if Bitcoin is at $100,000 and you want to open a long, but not at the current price, only if the market breaks through a resistance level, you set a conditional order. Specify a trigger price of $101,000, and once the market reaches it, the buy order will execute. This way, you enter the trade with the trend, confirming your strategy. This type of order is handy for breakouts, stop losses, or automatic entries according to strategy. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Done? Let's move on. Now let's discuss how to manage risks and profits with stop loss and take profit. Stop loss. This is the automatic closing of a position if the market moves against you to limit losses. For example, if you open a long at $90,000 and set a stop loss at 89,000 USDT. If the price drops to 89,000 USDT, your position will close automatically and you'll only lose the amount you planned. Take profit. Conversely, this allows you to lock in profits when the price reaches a level you've set. For example, in the same long position, you set a take profit at $100,000. If the price reaches this level, your position will close automatically and you'll earn a profit. Trailing stop. This is a smart tool to protect your profits. Imagine, you bought Bitcoin at $90,000 and its price started rising. You want to keep earning but are worried the price might suddenly drop. This is where a trailing stop comes in handy. You can tell the system, if the price goes up, keep the position. But if it starts dropping by more than 5%, close the trade and secure the profit. The essence is that a trailing stop moves with the price, but not in the opposite direction. If Bitcoin rises, the stop trails higher. If the price starts to fall, it stays in place and triggers when the drop reaches the set level, for example, 5%. Thus, a trailing stop helps maximize profit during a rise and protects it from sudden market reversals. It's a very convenient tool, especially in high volatility conditions. There's another method, phase position closing, known as closing with multiple takes. For example, you opened a long on Bitcoin at $90,000. You set the first take profit at $92,000 to close 50% of the position. The second take profit at $95,000 to close another 30%. You keep the remaining 20% for growth to $100,000. This way, you gradually take profits and reduce risks if the market turns. All settings are made in the order window when opening the trade. Trading bots on Blofin are programs that trade automatically for you following set rules. They're like your personal assistant, working around the clock even while you sleep. Here's a step-by-step guide to launching a trading bot. Log into the Blofin exchange via the app or website. Go to the trade section and select Futures. In the Futures interface, find the Bots tab. Choose the type of bot. For beginners, a signal bot is suitable, trading based on predefined conditions. For example, when a certain price is reached. Select a trading pair, such as BTC USDT, for the bot to trade Bitcoin contracts. Configure the bot's parameters. Specify the amount for trading, for example, 50 USDT. Set entry conditions. For example, open a long if the price increases by 1%. Make sure to set a stop loss to close the trade if the market drops, for example by 2%, and a take profit to lock in profits, for example if the price rises by 5%. Once all parameters are set, carefully review them and click Start Bot. Now, it will trade automatically for you following all specified conditions. Another way to earn is through a grid bot. This tool trades for you independently. It buys coins when their price drops and sells when their price rises. Your funds are split in half, one part for buying coins and the other for additional purchases, if the price moves against you. Thus, the bot profits from price fluctuations. Here's how to set up a grid bot for profit. Go to the trade section, then click on the bots button and select Spot Grid. Choose a trading pair, find Sol USDT through Spot. Set 20 trades. The bot will divide the range into 20 parts, each yielding about 2.7% profit. Enter the amount. Click Create Bot, and it will start trading. Now let's talk about copy trading on Blofin. It's an opportunity to earn by mirroring the trades of experienced traders. You choose a successful trader, and your funds automatically follow their actions. This is a great option for beginners who want to start earning without needing deep knowledge. Let's explore how it works on Blofin and how you can profit. Log into the Blofin platform, find the Wallet or Assets button and click Transfer. Transfer funds from funding to the copy trading account. Then go to the Trade section and select Copy Trading. Browse the list of traders on the platform. Blofin provides statistics, profitability, number of trades, and risk level. For example, a trader with 200% returns in a month and a low risk level is a good choice. Select a trader by clicking on their profile and specify the amount to copy, for example, 50 USDT. Set the parameters. Leverage if copying futures, for example 5x, which is suitable for beginners. Stop loss to limit losses, for example close the position at a 10% loss. Click Start Copying. Now, all trades of the selected trader will be automatically replicated in your account. Note that the trader may charge a copy fee, usually 20% of the profits earned. Here's the overview. Overall, Blofin is a modern platform with a user-friendly interface and essential tools for trading and investment. Don't forget to enter the promo code COPYTRADE10 when registering to receive bonuses on your first deposit and join our Telegram channel. If you found the material helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Wishing everyone good luck and profitable trades.